बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Tariq Akam School, and I'm your teacher, Miss Faiza. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today is science period, so first of all, you have to open your science workbooks. Yes, you have to open page number 1 and mention today's date and day. Today is Friday and date is 2/4. Unit number 1, the human body, the 5 senses. First of all, you have to remember the 5 senses. Then look at this. Draw the things that you can. The first one is see. We can see with our eyes. You can draw any picture here that you can see with your eyes, okay? It can be tree, it can be anything else, okay? It can be chair, it can be table, anything. Then in second picture, here is ear. We can hear with our ear. So you should have to draw anything. So you should have to draw anything home sound you can hear, okay? It can be bell, it can be anything else, okay? It can be sparrows chirp. Then third picture, here is nose. You should have to draw anything you can smell, okay? I draw flower here. You can draw anything else. It depends upon you. Then here is tongue. We can taste with our tongue. You can draw anything that you can taste, okay? It can be apple, it can be ice cream, it can be mango, it can be anything. Then the last one is hand. You have to draw the thing you can touch with your hand, with your skin, okay? So I draw here cell phone. You can draw anything else, depends upon you, as I said before. So after that, turn the next page, page number 2, mention today's date and day. Let's recall, fill in the blanks, use the helping words. Here is different helping words: colors, salty, tongue, touch, hearing, ears, strong, low, taste, pleasant, hot, loud. You have to put right word in the right blank. Let's start. Sense of sight, which make use of our eyes to observe colors, texture, shapes and sizes. You should have to write here colors. We can see colors with the help of our eyes. Then sense of hearing. Sense of hearing, which make use of our ears to observe sound that are loud or soft and high or low. Hearing, ears, loud, low. They are the correct words. Then number 3, sense of smell. Sense of smell, which make use of our nose to observe smell that are pleasant or unpleasant and light or strong. Pleasant and strong, they are the right words for this blank. Then sense of taste, which make use of our tongue. We can taste with our tongue to observe tastes that are sweet, sour, bitter or salty. You should have to write here salty, tongue, taste. Then the last one is sense of touch, which make use of our skin to observe texture, shapes, sizes, things that are hot or cold, wet or dry, soft or firm. Firm means sakht. Okay? So you should have to write here hot and touch. They are the right words. I hope you understand. Very simple, very easy. You should have to focus on your writing. Your writing should be clean. So after that, so students, your homework is you have to learn 5 sense organ, 5 senses and their function. Okay? I'm repeating this again. You have to learn 5 sense organ, then senses and their function. For example, sense of sight, which make use of our eyes. We can sight with the help of our eyes, and function is colors, textures, shapes and size. Okay? Similarly, you have to learn all the 5 sense organ senses and their function. Okay, understand? Take care of yourself. Allah ke aman.